How to get voice chat in Roblox. So if this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head onto our Roblox account by going on to the Roblox website. And once you are here, what you need to do is scroll down and go to About Us. And once you are in About Us, you will see this page. So scroll down again and then go to Contact. Once you are in the Contact, what you need to do is go to Customize your avatar. And once you are here, go to Roblox Support and then find the Contact Us button. And go to the support form here in the link. And what you need to do is just to type in your name here, your email, your first name, and then of course I am in PC. And then here you can see some options right here. So just choose whichever option that is applicable to you. Sometimes there is a option called specific experience, and in here you can just type in that you want Roblox to add a voice chat to your account or send a message to Roblox support team. And then once done, you just submit it and wait for the response of the Roblox team on how it will resolve your problem. So that's it on how to add a voice chat to your Roblox. Thank you for watching.